Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. For those of you who do not know me, this is the crazy dude, Dr. Nandi. Why is he crazy? Because he has uploaded so many math problem solutions. Why does he do that? Because he wants to help you understand the steps you have to take to solve a math problem. Other than that, I have also uploaded very short travel videos. When you get a chance, maybe you can take a look at it. Look, I've been teaching maths for more than 20 years now, and people always come and complain to me that math is very difficult. Yes, I agree with you 100%. There's no question about it. But I have a solution. If you know the steps, that is, if you try to know the steps that you have to take in solving a math problem, it is not that bad. So I'll show it to you by solving an integration problem. So here I go. Says evaluate the definite integral. The limits of integration are from 1 to 7, and the algebraic expression is 6x squared plus 2x minus 3 dx. So let's do it. So I'll just write this separately, right? So integration 1 to 7, 6x squared dx plus limits of integration from 1 to 7, 2x dx minus 3 limits of integration from 1 to 7 and dx. Now notice I've taken the 3 outside the integration because I'll write this again. So let's put it back. So, oops, crazy. Okay. So minus 2x, oops, what's going on? Okay. So 2x dx limits of integration are from 1 to 7, and then minus 3 limits of integration 1 to 7 dx. As I was saying, I've taken the constant term outside the integration because it is a constant term. So, and this is the 7, the first term is 7x squared, limits of integration 1 to 7, x squared, it was, let me correct it, it was 6x squared. So I need to correct it. Here it is 6x squared. And here it is, so let me write it out properly. It is limits of integration 1 to 7 and 6x squared, 6x squared dx. Okay, so let's integrate it. As you know, 6 being a constant, it will come outside. And we have integration from 1 to 7 x squared dx plus 2 will come outside being a constant. 1 to 7 limits of integration x dx minus 3 integration from 1 to 7 dx. So this we can write 6. Now integration of x squared, as you know, the x exponent increases by 1 and we divide by the same number. So it will be, the first term will be 6 x2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and the limits are from 1 to 7. Next term will be 2 plus 2 will be there. X exponent is 1, it will increase by 1. So 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, same number. And the limits of integration are from 1 to 7. And minus 3. Now this is 1 times dx. Integration of 1 is x. but the limits of integration are from 1 to 7. So this becomes 6x cubed by 3 plus 2x squared by 2 minus, I should write the limits of integration 1 to 7. And this one also limits of integration 1 to 7. And minus 3x limits of integration 1 to 7. Now you can cancel this 2 with this 2. And you can cancel this 3 with 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So let's move this up a little bit. So you will get you will get equal to 2x cubed limits 1 to 7 plus x squared limits 1 to 7 minus 3x limits 1 to 7. So this will become equal to 2x cubed is, sorry, this is, I erase this. So 2 is there. So 2, then inside the parenthesis, the upper end 7 cubed minus 1 cubed plus x square. In parenthesis, you have 7 square minus 1 square minus 3 upper limit 7 minus 1. Okay, so you have here equal to, so 2 times, what is 7 cubed? 7 sevens are 49, and then 7 nines are 63. 63 is 343 minus 1, right? 7, it's, let me check quickly in my calculator and my phone. So I'll open the calculator. Uh, so I want to do 7x cubed. So clear everything. 7x cubed. I do not have x. No, I have x cubed. Is equal to. Yes, I was right. It is 343. So it is always good to check with your calculator. 343 minus 1 plus 7 squared is 49 minus 1 minus 3 times 7 minus 1 is 6. And again, if I create some more space, this becomes equal to 2 times 342. 343 minus 1 is 342 plus 49 minus 1 is 48 minus 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so 2 times 342 is 684. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 684 plus 48 minus 8 is 30. So the final answer is 714. So again, let me break down the steps what I did to solve this problem. So this is the integration I have to do. It's a definite integral. The limits are from 1 to 7. I have a mistake. It's good that I picked it up so that I can fix it up. So I'll be here. Oops. Oh, okay. So here I first go on this and cancel this. Then I go on this. Uh, just a minute. So the limits of integration are from 1 to 7. The 1 is missing. That's why what I wanted to pick. Okay, 1 to 7. And the expression, the algebraic expression is 6x squared. So let me put a parenthesis in front of it. 6x squared plus 2x minus 3dx. So again, separate the terms, limits of integration from 1 to 7, 6x squared dx plus 2x dx, limits 1 to 7, minus 3, 1 to 7 dx. Now, you can bring the 6 outside. integration of x squared is x cubed by 3, which I do in this step, x cubed by 3. And in the denominator, it's 3 because x exponent increases by 1, you divide by the same term. 2 plus 1 is 3, you divide by 3. 3 goes into 6 two times. Similarly, 2x dx, x exponent increases by 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, divide by 2. So 2 goes into 2, it cancels out, and minus 3x dx is just x. I mean, sorry, minus 3 dx is just x. Limits are from 1 to 7. So, like I said, 3 in the denominator in the first term cancels with the 6 to remains 2 in the numerator. So it's 2x cubed, limits are from 1 to 7, plus x squared 1 to 7 minus 3x 1 to 7. So then you substitute the limits from 1 to 7 or 7 to 1. 7 is the higher number, 1 is the lower number. So the first term becomes 2 in parentheses 7 cubed minus 1 cubed, plus the second term becomes 7 square minus 1 square minus 3x 7 minus 1. And then you, let me see if I can move this up a little bit. Oops. So it becomes, let me make it a little bigger also in size. So it becomes 2 7 cubed minus 1 cubed is 343 minus 1, or 342. 2 times 342 plus 7 square minus 1 square is 49 minus 1 is 48 minus 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So when you do the number crunching correctly, it is 2 times 342 is 684 plus 30. The answer is 714. Hey, I stop here today. I'm sure you may have some questions. Please do not hesitate to write me a question in the comments area. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That assures me that I'm on the right track to help you out. Okay, if you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and please click on the bell button, which will notify you every time I upload a new video. So I look forward to meet you tomorrow. Please do not forget to check me out tomorrow. Thanks. Take care. Have a nice day. See you. Bye. So the first thing I will do is I will erase this line. Okay. And then close the